Our drag finish polishing machine has been completely renewed in response to users who are worried about the after-sale support for products made by overseas manufacturers. Features include simultaneous processing of multiple pieces and uniform finishing. Due to the wide range of rotation speeds, it is possible to handle workpieces with complex shapes. It is good at polishing long workpieces, and is often used for tool radiusing and droplet removal. By using the soft media SMD containing diamond abrasive grains, mirror finishing of carbide and high-speed steel is possible.